I think. Let's open it. I cannot tell it on here. Oh, there you go. I found my headband. Yes! It actually came through! I got it! Hi! Today we're gonna do a fidget toy check. So, first things off, I'm going to show you all of these fidgets. This is all I have. Yes, of course. You're wondering why I only have this, because I only can buy this kind of pack. So anyways, first, we're going to start with our first fidgets. First, these are a marble fidgets. These can make your hand something, but it's kind of cool. And write down in the comments what is my favorite color, because one of these colors has my favorite. Comment down below. So anyways, next up is a monkey noodle. Wait, let me get that. A monkey noodle or a fidget stretchy thing. Yes, it can be stretched to 1 to 10. I think. Yes, I remember that. And I kind of remember next is a rainbow ball that can, wait, what was it? That can switch these for you can let your friends to challenge. You can let your friends to have a challenge to how many seconds they will finish or how many minutes. We might do this in another video, so the whole family will do it. And the next thing, is this. It can go, wait. Sit down. Okay. A fidget tangler. Because I love this very much. I usually get my stress out from this in school because I hate tests. So please don't tell me mom because my mom's upstairs. So anyways, I love tests. Of course I do. Right, mommy? Okay, mama said yes. So I'm having another person vlogging me, of course. Say hi. Okay, said hi. So we're gonna go finish. Okay. These are the emojis, but my mom called me erasers. They're actually squishies and emojis because they're cute. My mom called them erasers, but the first letter I don't know. So, actually I love this cat. I have four cats. It's right there. I wonder if my cat's sleeping like this. Okay, for the next thing, okay. I love squishing these. And the next thing is this. My mom called this a Fidget Cube 2.0. But it's actually not a cube, it's like a gaming controller. It's like this. If you're getting stressed from some homework or something. Anyways, we're gonna go to the next thing. The next thing is a puppet. Yes, I got a rainbow one. This one. And a cat puppet, but it's actually not a puppet, it's just from the baking section that I just found. This is not from Shopee. And I got this from the Shopee pack fidget thingy. It's very cute. It's a bear or koala. A bear, of course. And we have a heart one. And my table is messy, so I'm gonna put these back. This is my hearts. My favorite heart. It's easy and calm. I usually my friends secretly play this when I was not around, when I was watching YouTube. to tell my parents. My parents will be very angry. So anyway, the next thing is a, if you want to see it closer, here we go. And the next fidget is a bike chain, a common bike chain. Usually some people call this a common bike chain because it's kind of like a common, I don't know how to play this, but my auntie knows. And my auntie is bugging me right now. She's smiling, and we are gonna go to the next one. There's a rainbow fidget spinner. It's a rainbow one. This is my bean pop that pops out. I think this is the easy one. Yep. Hello. There's no face. I forgot that is the one. This is hard to get it out. There you go. It's a hard one and you can see the face. It's very cute. But these two doesn't have, so just ignore them. And the next thing, let me put it there, is this big squishy. And you're wondering why does it look tasty? But actually it's a human. It's a cute little human. It's a very cute little human. Usually there should be a smell right here, or is it here? I don't remember. But the smell is lost. No smell anymore. I missed the smell. It's very, very cute. And squish. If you can have like this guy in the top is very, very squishy. For the squish you. And we're gonna put them back. It's hard to put them back actually. You just need to hide the handsies and also the tag right here. And you're done as a real cupcake. So that part I should put my name here. I'm gonna name her Rosie. And this is the second grand finale, but I actually don't remember what this is called, guys. Oh no, I don't remember my own fidget's name. But it's okay, guys. If you know what it is, comment down below because on Google I don't understand. But it's okay. I can make everything I want. And for the next thing, this, a squishy ball. It's actually not a squishy. Guys, you know this, but actually my dad's. So, shh. I got it from my dad's. My dad's upstairs doing some live stream, I think. I don't know. Yeah. So anyways, I found this ball from my room. It's very squishy. It's not that squishy. It's very, very squishy. And my hands feel like it. Anyways, there's a ball. This is actually not a fidget, it's just a ball. A cute little ball with what's it called? A bear, or is it a dog? Comment down below because I don't know what it is. I can barely feel. And we have the grand finales. My spoon. There's also this that you can guess. This is the beginning. I hope you see this in the beginning. And the next thing, koala. And this is all I have today for Fidget Check Tour. I hope you love it, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye!